Hello, this video explains the season for round 8 sample winning strategy. For round 8, our company is leading the game, so we just keep going with update the product. We have 5 products in our product and 3 new products in low end, traditional and performance. So for low end, traditional and performance, we can control the 3 market segments. And for high end and size, we also lead the game with little segments with high sales. And this is round 8, we just keep going. Actually, this sample strategy company started in round 2. For round 1 they did not do very well, but we can still lead the game in round 6, 7 and 8. So you see on the screen we update the product with so even we started late one round, we can still lead the game if we have the right strategy. So on the right hand side you see the screen of Excel file. We just keep update the product on the 6 product with the performance and size of round 8. And now for the marketing. For the marketing we can continue reduce the price by only $0.50 or 50 cents. 50 cents because most of our product, all of our product have the very competitive prices right now. And we do that for all the 8 products. Be precise, careful to put a precise number in on the 8 rounds. Reduce the price by 50 cents. We can check the career report to make sure we get the most competitive price compared with all the competitors in on the 5 segments. We also need to check the growth rate of each segment again. 5 segments have different 5 segment growth rate. And now we check the marketing for sales focus first before we come to production. So we get the unit result from last round multiple with the segment growth, and also we can add 10% because we have very good selling product right now. And we put that in the marketing and also add about 10 or 12% for production. And you see on the screen, some for performance, for example, we didn't get enough capacity for this round. So again, if you see this sample strategy, you can add more capacity from round 6, 7 and 8 at about 10 or 15% surplus. So we adjust the production, and also we keep 5,000 marks for recruitment and 80 hours of training. For finance, because this is last round, we had a lot of cash in hand. You see that a lot of cash in hand, so we can retire the stocks and pay off long-term loans. We still keep about 100 million of cash in hand, so that's very good result for finance. So you see that we retire about 28 million for stocks and also 50 million on long-term loans, and we still keep around 130 million in cash. This is estimated only, right? For total quality management, if we don't have to spend for this round because we have spent enough. Max 4 million, and this is a pro forma result. We get very good sales around 450 million and 200 million in contribution margin and 90 million in net profit. That's very good result. Thank you, good luck and success.